Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for the week ending April 12th. Yes, it's just past 4 p.m. Eastern. The market has closed, and as you can see on the right side of my screen here, was not a very positive day for Wall Street. The Dow down 482 points, continues to make new lows here. And not only that, but the weekly time frame now is below the 20. The S&P 500 down 73 points here, also taking out another low. The Nasdaq down almost 300 points today, completely reversing yesterday's gains, and the Russell down another 36 points. So another broad sell-off here overall. And if we look now at crude oil, it certainly gave up its gains from the day, but still finished higher by 45 cents here. So, it's still holding on quite well. Was much higher earlier in the session, as were gold and silver. Gold hitting almost, what was it, 24.50? Did we get there? 24.48. And then giving 11 points back. Silver also had a big day and then gave it back. Bond yields pretty much across the board lower. And the VIX had a huge day, off its highs, but above 19 at one point. We haven't seen a bar that big in quite some time. The dollar right now 106.01, so we're right at that crucial level. So overall, a pretty ugly day, and really an ugly week for the markets. We had bank earnings. JP Morgan came out this morning early. They did beat on both top and bottom line, but their guidance was not what the market wanted to see. It gapped down and it closed near the low of the day. The other thing spooking these markets is geopolitical events, talk of Iran potentially retaliating against Israel. Somehow they believe it's imminent. We'll see, but there's a lot driving this. But right now, the market is looking pretty scared.